You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word. Very interesting word, quite confusing, the spelling is. If you want to learn more vocabulary, including from medicine, medical terms, stay tuned. Nulliparous is how it is pronounced. The English pronunciation, British English and American English pronunciations are similar here. Nulli, so it's not nulli, nulliparous. A stress on the second syllable, the li syllable. Nulliparous, easy once you know, quite straightforward, even though it's confusing. Nulliparous, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.